Hi everyone, I'm going to simulate the frequency of an FET amplifier. So here I used an N MOSFET amplifier, and this circuit, as you can see, is a common emitter amp. So in here I use this to input or to put the components needed to complete the amplifier. So we have two resistors and resistors for the drain, and there's no source resistor. So here what I did for voltage 1, which is voltage in, I set the AC amplitude to 1 and the series resistors to 1000. And then you're going to set the function to none. Then click OK. And then for the VDD, I set the DC value to 1.8 volts. And then for the MOSFET, so to choose your preferred MOSFET, you're just going to click pick new MOSFET, and then you can see there's the list of different kinds of MOSFETs. So there, just click whatever you want or you need to complete your circuit. But as for me, I used the SI7336ADP or Silicon X for my circuit. So okay, just click OK and everything's there. So we will go to simulate now. And before simulating, go to edit simulation command, and then go to AC analysis. Choose AC analysis on the top side of this square. Then click decade, and then set the number of points per decade to 100. Starting frequency is 1, and then stop of frequency is 100 mega. So here you can see the syntax. So this is what the syntax should look like. Then click OK. So here you see the syntax used for the circuit. So now we're going to run. Okay. So then first look at the gate, the drain side. What our drain looks like. This is the graph. And for us to know the frequency or the maximum voltage gain, the frequency you see it here. Then for the gate side, just one here. So as you can see, they're almost similar, but in the gate side, the graph is a little bit lower compared to the drain. And on the input, see, much higher the gate, but not high here too. So that's it. That's how you look for the value of the frequency of the drain, gate, and input. Just click here, just click whatever you want, and then you have it.